Hey, this is Jessica Green with the sales team in Century 21, and I'm here on 505 Greenwood Avenue. I'm just announcing an open house we're going to be having from 11:30 to 1 this Saturday. I would love for you to come by. This is an amazing, huge 4,600 square foot home, 6 bedrooms. You can get all the kids and maybe your parents to come live with you. So I'm excited to show it to you. I'm going to flip around the camera really quick. Okay. Beautiful, big brick home, quiet neighborhood. Hey, Jeff and TJ. So this is the biggest house I've ever seen for this price point. It's $300,000, 6 bedrooms, formal entry. Wood floors. Look at these awesome wood windows. It's like a study. And here is, I love the little cubby for the wood next to the fireplace. Big picture window. No lights. Okay, so kitchen. Hey, Adam. Big kitchen. Sunroom, lots of room for the kids or grandkids to play. Laundry and a bath. Oh, I'm not going to make you dizzy. Okay. Sorry, my heels are very loud. All right, we're going to go upstairs. Oh, I meant to turn the lights on and I didn't. Okay. Huge hall bath. Oh my goodness, look at this master, guys. You know how when you tell yourself to do something and you don't do it? I totally told myself to come in here and turn the lights on. It's like a whole master suite. I think I'm lost. Another bedroom, so 6 bedrooms. And here's one of the bedrooms I missed. Lots of storage. Huge house, guys. Okay. So again, this is going to be 11:30 to 1 in Tahlequah on 505 Greenwood. And if you guys can make it, that would be awesome. Or if you would like a private showing, just let me know. Just trying to flip around the camera. Oh, there I am. Sorry. So just let me know if you want a private showing or if you want to see any other houses in Tahlequah or Stillwell. I cover about 4 counties. Just give me a call. My number is 918-330-0663, and I look forward to meeting you. Bye.